MS Dhoni leads India to victory over Sri Lanka in the Tri-Series final. Aussie debutant Agar plays innings of a lifetime. Wayne Rooney ruled out of pre-season tour with hamstring injury. India beat Sri Lanka by 1 wicket in a thrilling final and hence remained unbeaten at Port of Spain, Trinidad. Requiring 15 runs of the last over, Captain Dhoni smashed a 6, a 4 and then another 6 to hand India an incredible win. Sri Lanka posted 201 in 48.5 overs after being put into bat on a pitch where stroke making was difficult. A solid 122-run partnership between Sangakkara and Thirimanne, who scored 71 and 46 respectively, was what had got them to the total after a sluggish start. For the Indians, it was Rohit Sharma and Suresh Raina who scored 58 and 32 at the top of the order. But it was MS Dhoni's 45 not-out that played an important role in taking India to 203 for 9 with just 2 balls to spare. Coming after the victory in the Champions Trophy, this firmly places India as a top team in one-day international cricket at the moment. Michael Clarke and his men needed a miracle, and all Australian prayers were answered in the form of 19-year-old Ashton Agar, who scored 98 runs, the highest ever score by a number 11 batsman. Earlier in the day, the English had managed to dismiss both Steve Smith and Brad Haddin quickly, and with the rest of the tail not wagging, they fell to a precarious 177 for 9. A great display of swing bowling saw James Anderson grabbing yet another 5-4 in Test cricket, but a world record 163-run partnership with Philip Hughes ensured that the Aussies ended up with 280 on the board. The English started the second innings in disastrous fashion, losing both their openers Joe Root and Jonathan Trott for 5 and 0. Michelle Stark got both their wickets. A strong fight back by captain Alistair Cook and Kevin Peterson saw them close the day on 80 for 2. England lead by 15 runs with 8 wickets in the bag. Playing for Surrey in the English County Championship, Ricky Ponting scored a fantastic century, bringing to an end a brilliant first-class career. He reached the milestone by smashing Nottinghamshire's Samit Patel for a boundary, bringing up his 82nd first-class century in his 289th match. He also passed the 24,000-run mark during the course of the innings. The former Australian captain had quit Test cricket earlier in December of 2012, and he has announced that he will stop playing all forms of cricket by October this year. Rooney has been ruled out of Manchester United's pre-season tour as he sustained a hamstring injury during training. He said that he was gutted to be missing out, especially after the way he was shaping up in training. According to club officials, the United star will now be heading back to Manchester to have a thorough checkup, though indications are that there may be nothing to worry about. New Bayern Munich coach Pep Guardiola has been vocal about adding Thiago Alcantara to an already strong squad. Speaking at a training camp in Trentino, he said it had to be Alcantara or nothing, thus making his intentions absolutely clear. It is going to be interesting to see the reaction of Manchester United, who have been chasing Thiago for a while now. Meanwhile in Italy, 25-year-old Angelo Ogbonna has been signed up by Serie A giants Juventus from their rivals Torino. Juventus will pay 13 million euros in installments over the next 3 years for full registration rights, and this could rise up by a further 2 million euros if certain sporting targets agreed upon are reached. In other bizarre news, the Nigerian side Bubiaro that lost 67-0 to Police Machine FC has resulted in the team being disowned and disbanded. Suspicions of match fixing have been raised, and the Nigerian football authorities have also suspended 3 other clubs for indulging in foul play.